Hello YouTubers, I have a little tidbit to show you if you're having trouble with your brake control switch on your Chevy Traverse. I am waiting on my brake control switch to come in. I had to order it specially. None of the car repair places in town had it, and I'm going on a trip tomorrow a couple states away, and I really need this Traverse to be running right. So I'm going to show you just what I did. It's a temporary fix, probably not that safe, but I think it's going to get me there. The main concern with this switch is that it activates your brake lights all the time. So I'm driving around this car and the brake lights are always on, and the cruise control won't work, and I'm also getting the traction control error on the dashboard. So since I didn't have the switch on me and I can't find it anywhere in town in time, I found this little bungee cord in my garage, and I'll show you what I did with it and how to temporarily make this thing work until you get the part that you need. The part's only $15. So anyways, so I'm going to show you here. So as we come in the car, I already have the panel removed from under the dashboard. I have my little light up under here. So here's our brake pedal, just to help you figure out where we're looking. Let me move this light over. And as we look up, right here, some good light on it. Right here is your switch. That when you push the brake pedal down, this little switch here is activated, activates your brake lights, and would also turn off your cruise control. Mine was a little bit wobbly, and so what I did is I just took this little bungee cord right here that you can see with my finger, and I wrapped it around the little pin that connects the switch to the brake pedal, and I looped it up to a little hole right at the top there. You can probably find it yourself once you get your head under yours if you're having the same trouble. And all I did is created a little bit of upward tension on the brake pedal. I mean, it's nothing. I mean, this bungee cord probably can hold about 5 pounds, I would think. So it's just a tiny little bit of upward pressure, and that's all it really took to keep this switch from pushing down and activating the brake lights. So that's all I'm doing. Hopefully this piece will come in the next couple days, and I'll get it changed out right, and everything will be good. But this will get me to Florida. Hope this helps you if you're in a jam like me.